All right, good morning, good people, or good night, good morning to some. What I'm going to do today is go ahead and break down how we go ahead and analyze the weekly direction. Once you have your indicators installed, you simply indicate and download the template that was posted in the group. It was a zip file which contains your MetaTrader 4 indicators. You want to install these on your computer. Alright, to go ahead and get things started, what we're going to do on each and every Sunday, what you're going to want to do first is come to the 4-hour chart. Come take a look at your 4-hour chart. Alright, once you have your 4-hour chart, now you have to fully understand how price relates to these moving averages. Okay, boom, simple, done. Now what we're going to do is we can basically see by looking at this 4-hour chart, we are in an uptrend. Everybody agree? We're using the moving average as support. Remember here, support. So, with that being said, it's pretty safe to say, as I said before, we're in an uptrend. So what we'll do is we'll simply grab our Fibonacci tool. Okay. We'll look at the most recent swing high to low. Alright, which would be indicated by here. Here, zoom out. We're looking at an uptrend. We see boom, peak, and a pullback. Okay? So let's go ahead and let's draw a trend line here. So we have a trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have multiple confirmations. So now what we'll do is we'll pull out our Fibonacci tool. Alright. Now we'll take that from this most recent high to this particular low. Okay, high to low. Remember, mind you, this is the 4-hour chart. Okay, now let's zoom in. Let me change some colors here. Alright, anyway. Okay, so now we have our Fibonacci. Swing high, swing low here. You can actually pull that down. Pull this down to low right here. Alright. Then we have that mapped out. So, let's go to the daily chart. We're also in an uptrend. We can see that here. Let's go to the weekly chart. Also in an uptrend. We can see that here. So, based on this chart, here are our potential targets based on the Fibonacci. Anyway, but now we can see that we're in an uptrend. Let me go back to the 4-hour chart. Confirm that we're in an uptrend, right? The 4-hour chart. This is going to show us the direction for the overall week, the whole week. Okay. Now, daily chart also confirming an uptrend. Weekly chart confirming the same thing. Monthly chart confirming the same thing. So what we'll be expecting on this monthly chart are these two targets, the 261.8 and the 423.6. Here. So now what we'll do is we'll come here. Hold on, let me go back to the 4-hour chart. We'll use this previous Fibonacci level as a level of support. So now we'll come in here and we'll look for our entry for the week. Alright, now if you take a look right in this zone here, right in this area in between 1.1169, this red line, and this red line, we're right below yesterday's high, or Friday's high, which is what the area where the volume is trapped from last week. So we'll dip down in here, and then we'll take off. So basically what I'm projecting for this week is a very, very large up move. Alright, and that's how your breakdown. You want to start your week. You want to get a good idea of where your week is going. Now that was the Euro USD. Let's go do another one. Pound Aussie. Let's do the pound Aussie. Stuff off of here. Alright, so now we have the pound Aussie. This is a completely different pair, ladies and gentlemen. Now, what do we see? 4-hour chart. Okay, we see we were in an uptrend. Let's draw a trend line. You can draw a trend line that touches on this particular uptrend. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. So let's do that. Okay? Got that. Now, 4-hour chart again is what we're looking at. Zooming a little bit. Now we see this here. Now what we'll do is we'll draw our Fibonacci again, from swing high to swing low. We'll take a look at our charts. Now, if we were looking for a reversal here, of course, we'd be looking for our entry right in here at the 61.8 for the 50. Okay? 61.8 for the 50. So, looks like we're getting a good strong zone here for sales. Okay? Now, mind you, we're looking at the 4-hour chart. You have to understand where price reacts is how price correlates with the moving averages. Mind you, this is what we do on Sundays. Sundays we're going to analyze the long-term time frame, which is the 4-hour chart, which is going to give us the direction for the week. Okay. So now we would enter right here. Well, last week would have gave us a better entry. So now what we'll be looking for is a continuation to the downside. Let's look at the daily chart. We'll see how the daily chart confirms that. Let's look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart can confirm that. Let's look at the monthly chart. The monthly chart also confirms. The monthly chart overall is confirming a downtrend. Okay, so if we break it down piece by piece, we can look to see that this could be a very, very strong high-level sell zone. Okay. This is the analyze your overall weekly direction. Okay, then we come in here to the 15-minute chart. This is the chart we use for our entries. Okay, 15-minute chart. Our entry is going to be somewhere right up in this area here. Okay, if it doesn't fall off directly from right here. Also, if you're looking, we have a double top right here. Alright. Let me see if I can send the template. Okay. Now let's do another one. Let's break down. No, let's not do that. I was going to leave that open. Let's go here and let's do the CHF. Let's do another pair. Okay, 4-hour chart. So let's look. Okay, looks like it could be in an uptrend. Looks like we're in a consolidation area. Let's look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart is definitely showing a downtrend. Let's look at the monthly chart. Monthly chart is showing a downtrend. Alright. Monthly chart is also showing a downtrend. Okay. Now mind you, the 200, this white one, and this blueberry are levels of support. So that's showing that this level, this 4-hour chart here is at a level of support, which is likely we'll see a lot of consolidation here. Okay. We want to see markets in a trend. We don't want to see markets in here in this consolidation stuff. We don't want to see something bouncing in between like that. We want to see something rolling. Okay. So, again, most recent swing high to swing low. Okay. Now we're due to hit our 161 retracement since we've already breached the 100 here. But again, this is an area of consolidation, so this is a trade that we would actually want to avoid for the week. But something like this, clear trend direction, it's going to be a lot smoother. You're going to have a lot smoother ride. You see on this pound CHF, we've already come back to the moving averages and brought them back close together. If you look at the let's do it like this. Alright, we look here, Both of these are 4-hour charts. What I want you guys to see is this here. I want you guys to see how price into these moving averages. See how they've come back together? Y'all see that? Now let's go back to the chart. Now as far as seeing something like this, okay, if we can, let's say, comfortably, let's say, confidently say that this is going to be the high, where price actually reverses at the 61.8, we can erase this one. And we can go here. Okay. When you can confirm a high and a low, you can use your Fibonacci. Only when you can confirm it. We can confirm this. We can advance from this one because we can confirm these now low, this high. Okay? Now, let's zoom out. Let's go back in here. And now, let's take a look at this. Now look at our target zone. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and starting off your week, taking a look at this. And as we go through the days of the week, we'll break down each day of the week together and what's essentially happening. All right, thank you for your time. Hope you guys enjoy and take notes. Happy trading.